That's a boring technical chart. Why cash flow is important? I stole this. I stole it from Goldman Sachs Asset Management because I figured if you haven't got $50 million to give them your money and them charge you and do it for you, then you can just steal it on what they do. And they look at that. They look at cash return on capital invested. Now to you guys, that jargon will make sense. It makes sense to me. You don't need to learn the formula. But what I'm saying is if you want to know the most important thing, please focus on cash flow, valuation, revenue growth. Then you can narrow those companies down. Now you might say, nah, forget it, I'm rich, I don't need to do any of this, I've got somebody to do it for me. My whole point is the people doing it for you are underperforming. They're not vested like you. 15 stocks, 12 months, then review, start again. Look in a gene pool of 10,000, not just UK. And we are not going to speculate on which sector, which geography. Trust me, neither you nor I are clever enough to see into the future. What you're going to do is valuation, growth, cash flow. I don't care if they make ugly shoes or if they make iPods. Valuation, growth, cash flow. Okay, those